Hello everyone, welcome to Ease with Japanese, and today we are going to learn how to write the letters of Na series, their stroke order. Okay, let's start. The letters of Na series are Na, Ni, Nu, Ne, No. The first letter of Na series is Na, and the stroke order is like this. The first stroke starts from this red dot here, and this is my first stroke. The second stroke starts from this red dot, and this is my second stroke, and my third stroke starts from this red dot, and it has a little bend here, so a little curve like this. So this is my third stroke, and fourth stroke starts from this red dot, and it's like this. This is my fourth stroke. So these are the stroke order of Na. Let us see with a video. The first stroke, second stroke, third stroke, and this is my last stroke, fourth stroke. Okay, let's play again. The first stroke, second stroke, third stroke, and fourth stroke. The next letter is Ni, and it has three strokes. So the first stroke starts from this red dot. So it's like this and a little bend like this. So number one. Second stroke starts from this red dot, this one, and this is my second stroke. Third stroke starts from this red dot, and it's like this. So this is my third stroke. Okay, let's see with a video. So this is first stroke, second stroke, and this is third stroke. Let's play again. So this is my first stroke, second, and third. So this is the way to write Ni. The next letter is Nu. It has two strokes, and the first stroke starts from this. So it's like this, first stroke. Second stroke starts from this, so it's like this, complete whole second stroke, this and this. So this is my second stroke. Okay, let's see it with a video. First stroke, and this is my second stroke. Let's play again. This is my first stroke, and this is second stroke. So this is the way to write Nu. The next letter is Ne. The first stroke starts from this red dot, so it's a straight stroke like this. So number one, and the second stroke starts from this red dot, so this is this, then like this. So this is my complete second stroke. Okay, we will see it through a video. This is first stroke, then this is second stroke. I'll play again. So this is first stroke, then this is second stroke. So this is the way to write Ne. The next letter is No. No has only one stroke, and this starts from red dot, and it's like this, then small curve here, and after that it's smooth like this. So this is my only first stroke. This is the single stroke. Let's see it through a video. So this is my first stroke, the only stroke. Let's play again. First. So this is the way to write No. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, share with your friends so that they can learn Japanese free of cost. If you want to learn Japanese directly from me, you can just leave a message to me. Thank you so much.